warm welcome to all my students. Today we will study about Indian physiography. Physiography means different types of landform. We will learn about the following in this chapter. General feature of the landforms of India. Physiographic division of India. Important features of the physical division. So these are the three topics we are going to discuss in this chapter. Today we will discuss about general features of the landforms of India and physiographic division of India. These are the two topics will be discussed in this session. India is a vast country. It has a variety of landforms. They include mountains, plateau, plain, valley, coastal plains. So India has different types of landforms. We have variety of landforms. Mountain, hill, plateau, plain, valley, coastal plains. We have different types of landform in India. These have influenced on the river system, climate, natural vegetation, land use, agriculture, transportation, distribution of population, etc. So these are the factors which has influenced for different types of landform in India. First, river system, climate, natural vegetation, land use, agriculture, transport, distribution of population. These are the factors which have influenced variety of landform in India. Why do we have different types of landform in different places? The reasons are these, children. River system, climate, natural vegetation, land use, agriculture, transport, etc. These are the reasons for different types of landform. Physiographic divisions of India. On the basis of physiographic, India can be divided into four major divisions. They are Northern Mountains, Northern Great Plains, Peninsula Plateau, Coastal Plain and Islands. We are learning about physiographic division of India. That means the different types of landform found in India. So there are four types of landform. The first one is Northern Mountain. The second one, Northern Great Plains, Peninsula Plateau, Coastal Plains and Islands. These are the four physiographic divisions of India. The map will help you to recognize where are the different types of physiographic located in India. The first one I told you, Northern Mountain. Here is the Northern Mountain. The Northern Mountain is located in the northern side, that is the northern part of India. This is the brown color, what you see is the Northern Mountain. Next, Northern Great Plain, the green color what you see here. This is the Northern Great Plain. You can also call it as Gangetic Plain. The next one, the yellow in color, what you see here, the yellow color. Yellow and brown color shade. You see here, This is the Peninsula Plateau. Okay. This is the Peninsula Plateau. And the last one is coastal plain and islands. You can see the blue in color here. These are the coastal plains. The outline. This outline is called as the coastal plain, and here is the island. Andaman Nicobar Island, and here we have Lakshadweep Island. So these are the 4 physiographic divisions of India. First we will learn about the first physiographic division, and that is Northern Mountains. The Northern Mountain, they comprise of the Himalayas, which are a group of n-fold mountain. They extend as a continuous chain along the northern boundary of India. They are the highest mountain range in the world. They have highest peak, deep valleys, gorges and glacier passes, etc. Northern mountain, when we say, we are talking about the Himalayas here. It comprises of Himalayas. And these Himalayas are a group of n-fold mountain, and they are continuous chain along the northern boundary of India. This is the highest mountain range in the world. They have highest peak, deep valleys, gorges, glaciers and passes. In the Himalaya mountain, we can see highest peak, deep valleys, gorges, glacier and passes. Northern mountain means it is comprising of Himalaya, and Himalayas are the n-fold mountain. They are continuous, and it is the highest mountain range in the world. They have highest peaks, deep valley and gorges, glacier and passes. In India, they extend from Indus Gorge in the west to the Brahmaputra Gorge in the east for 2,400 kilometers. So they are extended from Indus to Brahmaputra, and it is spread nearly 2,400 kilometers, and the width varies from 240 to 320 kilometers. So they broader in the west and narrower in the east. They covered an area of about 5 lakhs kilometer square. Generally, they have steep slope towards India and gentle slope towards Tibet. So remember, the northern mountains are extended from Indus to Brahmaputra, and they nearly occupy 240 kilometers. Now width, if you see, it varies, not the same, it varies. It is 240 to 320 kilometers, and they are broader in the west whereas narrow in the east. They cover an area of about 5 lakh kilometer square, and generally they are steep towards India, that is south side. They are steep, whereas towards the north they are gentle slope towards the north. Here is a northern mountain located. The northern mountain, which comprise of Himalaya. It is a n-fold mountain. It is a continuous. It is the highest mountain range in the world. Himalaya is the highest mountain range in the world. And here you can see highest peak, deep valleys, glaciers, passes, etc. They are extended from Indus to Brahmaputra. Indus to Brahmaputra, and nearly they occupy 2,400 kilometers. And the width, if you see, it is varying. In the west, it is 240 to 320 kilometers. That means it is broader in the west and it is narrow in the east. And generally they have a steep slope towards India, that is south. If you see this side, it will be a steep slope. Whereas when you see the north side here, it will be a gentle slope. It is towards the Tibet. The Himalayas consist of 3 parallel ranges: Greater Himalaya, Lesser Himalaya and Siwalik Hills. So Himalaya consists of 3 parallel ranges. Can you see the first ranges is listed? The topmost will be called as Greater Himalaya. In between it is Lesser Himalaya, and the foothills of Himalaya is called Siwalik Hills. This is Siwalik Hills. On the top we call it, that is on the north. In the north we call it as Greater Himalaya, and in between we call it as Lesser Himalaya, and the foothills of Himalaya is called Siwalik Hills. First we will learn about Greater Himalayas. There are innermost, continuous and highest range. Average height of the range is 6,100 meters, and these ranges have many high peaks, of which Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. The other peak are Kanchenjunga, Makkalu, Dhaulagiri, Manasulu, Nanda Devi. Greater Himalaya, innermost, continuous, highest range. These are the 3 features of Greater Himalaya: innermost, continuous and highest range. And the average height of the range is 6,100 meters. The ranges here will be above 6,100 meters. And these ranges have many high peaks. And the most important, the world highest peak is Mount Everest, is located in Greater Himalaya. Mount Everest is located in the Greater Himalaya. The exact location of Mount Everest is in between Nepal and Tibet. It is located. Mount Everest is located between Nepal and Tibet. The height of Mount Everest is 8,848 meters. It is the highest peak in the world. The other peak in Greater Himalayas are Kanchenjunga, 8,586 meters, Makkalu, 8,481 meters, Dhaulagiri, 8,172 meters, Manasulu, 8,156 meters, Nanda Devi. These are the other peaks which are located in the Greater Himalaya. Here is a picture of Mount Everest. This is Mount Everest and it is located in between Nepal and Tibet. The location of the Mount Everest is located in between Nepal and Tibet. Important passes located in Greater Himalaya. Shipkila, it is located here. Zozila, the important passes in Greater Himalaya. As the Greater Himalayas are covered with snow throughout the year, these ranges are called Himadri. They are the home of many glaciers such as Gangotri and Yamunotri glaciers. There are many passes such as Bruzil, Zozila, Shipkila. So these are the most important passes in the Greater Himalayas. Throughout the year, the Greater Himalaya is covered with the snow, so it is called as Himadri. And two important glaciers are Gangotri and Yamunotri. And passes here, Bruzil, Zozila, Shipkila. So these are the three passes, important passes located in the Greater Himalaya. The mountain line to the northwest of the Himadri are called Trans-Himalaya. The mountain which is lying to the northwest of the Himadri are called Trans-Himalayas. They comprise of Karakoram range, where the highest peak K2 or Mount Godwin Austin is located. It is the highest peak in India. The highest peak in India is K2 or Mount Godwin. The highest peak in India. It is here, K2. K2 is located here in Jammu and Kashmir, and Kanchenjunga peak is located in the Greater Himalaya, that is in Sikkim. The Lesser Himalayas. These ranges are located to the south of the Greater Himalaya. They are also known as Himachal. They are 60 to 80 kilometers wide and 1500 to 450 meters height. The eastern part is covered with forest. There are many parallel ranges in these Lesser Himalayas. Example, Pir Panjal, Dauladar, Nagatippa, the Mussoorie, the Mahabharat and the Darjeeling ranges. The second parallel range of Himalaya is Lesser Himalaya. It is also called as Himachal. The Lesser Himalaya are located to the south of Great Himalayas. They are 60 to 80 kilometers wide, 1500 to 4500 meters high, and the eastern part is covered with forest. There are many parallel ranges like Nagatippa, Mussoorie, Mahabharat, Darjeeling, Pirpanjal are the ranges located in the Lesser Himalaya. They contain many valleys such as Kashmir Valley, Kangra Valley, Kulu Valley. These are also noted for hill stations such as Shimla, Mussoorie, Nainital, Darjeeling. This is a picture of a valley. Kulu Valley is located in Kashmir, Kangra. So in the Lesser Himalaya, it contains many valleys like Kashmir, Kangra and Kulu Valley. There are also many hill stations here, Shimla, Nainital, Darjeeling. Next, we will learn about Siwalik range. Siwalik Hills is also called as Outer Himalaya. They are the outermost range or foothills located to the south of main Himalayas. Therefore, they are also known as Outer Himalaya. They are the lowest range of the Himalaya with a height of 600 to 1500 meters and width varying from 15 to 150 kilometers. They extend from Jammu and Kashmir in the west to Arunachal Pradesh in the east. They have a flat bottom, a longitudinal structural valley which are known as dunes. Example, Dehradun. Siwalik Hills is located near foothills of Himalaya. It is also called as Outer Himalaya. The height of these 600 to 500 meters and the width varies 15 to 150 kilometers. They are extended from Jammu and Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh. Dunes. They have a flat bottom, a longitudinal structural valley which are known as dunes. Example, Dehradun. Dehradun. This is a picture of Dehradun. You can see this yellow color line, children. This yellow color line represents Siwalik Hills, the third parallel range of Himalaya. They are outermost range of foothills located in the south of main Himalaya. Therefore, they are also known as Outer Himalaya. They are lowest range of Himalaya with a height of 600 to 1500 meters, width varying from 15 to 150 kilometers. They are extended from Jammu and Kashmir in the west to Arunachal Pradesh in the east. Next, we will learn about the importance of northern mountain or importance of Himalaya. Himalayas act as a natural frontier, that is natural border, which prevent a foreign invasion to India. They also prevent the cold wind blowing from Central Asia. They obstruct rain-bearing wind and this causes heavy rainfall. Their slopes have thick forest and are ideal for plantation crop. Example, tea in Assam. They are a storehouse of minerals and the birthplace of many rivers and waterfalls, which are used to generate hydroelectricity power. Now I have explained about the importance of Himalaya. The first importance of Himalaya, it acts as a natural frontier. It prevents the foreign invasion. It does not allow the foreigners to enter into our country. And it also helps us from cold wind which are blowing from Central Asia entering into India. That means it prevents the cold wind blowing from Central Asia. And next, the rain-bearing winds. The rain-bearing winds are southwest monsoon wind which are blowing towards India, are obstructed by the Himalaya, which causes heavy rainfall to India. Their slope have thick forest which are ideal for plantation crop, mainly to grow tea. Storehouse of minerals and the birthplace of many rivers and waterfalls which are used to generate hydroelectricity. These are the importance of Himalaya. Today's assignment. First question. Which are the major physiographic divisions of India? There are 4 basic physiographic divisions of India. First one, Northern Mountain. Second one, Northern Great Plain, Peninsula Plateau, Coastal Plain and Island. These are the 4 physiographic divisions you have to write in this. Next one, describe the Northern Mountain. You will write only about the Northern Mountain. You will not explain about Greater Himalaya, Lesser Himalaya and Siwalik Range. So you will explain only about the Northern Mountain. The Northern Mountain comprises of Himalayas. It is a n-fold mountain. It is continuous chain along the northern boundary of India. There are highest mountain range in the world. They have highest peak, deep valleys and gorgeous glacier passes. They extend from Indus Gorge in the west to Brahmaputra Gorge in the east for 2,400 kilometers. The width varies from 240 to 320 kilometers. These are the points you have to write in Northern Mountains. Next, name some of the hill stations and valleys found in Lesser Himalaya. The hill stations and the valley located in Lesser Himalaya. Only those you have to mention. So hill station you can mention about Shimla, Nainital, Darjeeling. These are the hill station you can mention. Valleys you can mention Kangra, Kulu, Kashmir. Next question. What are dunes? So here you will write, they have a flat bottom, a structured valley which are known as dunes. And give an example here, Dehradun. State the importance of Northern Mountain. You will write the first point in this regarding natural frontier acts. They prevent foreign invasion. They prevent cold wind blowing from Central Asia. Second point, the abstract rain-bearing wind. Third point, regarding a slope where you have a thick forest and which are ideal for plantation crop, and give an example here regarding tea. And the next you will mention about storehouse for mineral, birthplace for rivers and waterfalls which are used to generate hydroelectricity. So these are the points you have to write regarding the importance of northern mountain. Is that clear, children? Write it neatly in your homework book. Thank you. In the next session, we will be learning about 3 more physiographic division of India, that is regarding northern Greater Plain. The next one is you will learn about Peninsula Plateau, and last one Coastal Plain and Island. These topics will be discussed in the next session. Thank you, children.